Good morning everybody, welcome back to our usual Elenos technical tips and tricks. Today we have Gianfranco that is ready to show you how to replace a power supply in case of technical assistance, because you have to remove the defective unit from your transmitter. In this case we have ETG 500. So for this model we have to open both cover, up and down side. So now Gianfranco will show us how to proceed. Okay, so Gianfranco is removing the last of the 4 screws from the down side. Okay, so now we remove the power supply from the connection from the AC input. Okay, all cables are disconnected. Then we remove the cables which provide connection to the CPU. Okay, flat cable must be removed. Sometimes you need maybe a cutter with you to remove the glue. And power supply is, the defective power supply is now removed. Elenos shop give us a new power supply, okay, in order to replace the defective one. And we just reconnect in the same way to the AC line. And the connection cable for the logic.
Più comodo.
Perfect. So we can proceed with the screw. Okay, so now we can proceed to give electricity again to the transmitter, and good job Gianfranco, transmitter is working again. Very good, so Gianfranco can proceed to close the transmitter with its screws. The operation is completely succeed. And very important thing, if your unit is still under warranty and you have replaced, like in this case, a power supply, please send it back to us so we can analyze with our test man which kind of damage you got it. Okay? Thank you and see you in the next episode. Thank you, Gianfranco.
Bye, thank you.